Hey there, so what we've done here on this Escape, we've taken the normal Escape seat bottom and we've put it on the back in lieu of the original backrests. The bracket, as you can see, is all the way down at the bottom where we have the bend in the elbow. And it's pretty nice. I like it, especially if you need to have more surface area. The other backrest, it's a little bit smaller, but it also makes it really lightweight. This adds about half a pound or so to it. All right, so now we put this premium sheepskin cover on the back, and this is extremely nice. It's gonna be the most comfortable seat you can get on the TravelScoot. You got a lot of surface area, so you can need much more back support. This is wider than my body, and it just feels really nice. The seat cushion for the Escape is $65 on our website, and then the sheep cushion, the sheepskin cushion is $150. So if you want to upgrade your backrest, this is the best way to do it. Highly recommend it.